In the heart of the São Paulo countryside, a young couple dreams of a home that caters to both lively gatherings and peaceful moments. They envision a space for entertaining friends and family, but also one where activities can coexist without interfering with each other. Nestled amidst the beauty of nature, the region also faces scorching summer temperatures. Natural light and sun protection became crucial elements. The solution? Dividing the house. Two connected blocks, a social pavilion for entertaining and a private block for quiet moments. Between them lies a tranquil garden, protected from the harsh afternoon sun by the building itself. The social area is designed for grand gatherings. Large glass doors open onto a spacious patio, creating an expansive entertaining space. A gourmet kitchen with a dedicated prep area allows for effortless hosting. The cleverly positioned pool allows everyone to enjoy the stunning view of the golf course. The private block prioritizes serenity. Each of the 7 bedrooms features a balcony, offering a space for relaxation while maintaining privacy. The social block's rooftop transforms into a green oasis, extending the living space and contributing to temperature regulation. Sustainability takes center stage. Natural materials like wood and stone create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Muxarabi elements filter sunlight and unify the house's facade. Accessibility is paramount too, ensuring all areas are comfortable and usable for everyone. Casa LGM, where nature, architecture, and a young couple's dreams seamlessly blend.